Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find a leak on a tire on a rim. We got a brand new tire here that we had mounted on this rim, and it's not one to hold air. We've already checked the front side here on this tire, so now we're going to lay it down and we're going to check the back side. Alright guys, now we got the tire laid down flat. This is brand new tire we just had mounted on the rim, and it's leaking. We're just going to spray it with some glass cleaner here. Spray it all the way around the bead. Make sure you get a good thick coating all the way around there. We just got to watch for bubbles. And I mean air bubbles. We're not watching for the bubbles from the glass cleaner to pop. We're watching for air bubbles in between the rim and the glass cleaner itself. It appears, I bet we have a leak right there. That's starting to foam up right there. Excuse me. It appears that's where we got a leak out on the rim. Oh, excuse me. It just rained here today, and outside's all wet, and allergies. You know, it's that time of year now, allergy season. Yep. I just seen a bubble pop, and it's not bubbling anywhere else, and it's got a good build up. There it is right there, between the rim and the tire. Well, hopefully I'll find this video useful, guys. I said on how to find an air leak on a tire. I said we can take this rim and we can fill it up with air, and a couple days later it goes flat on us. So we're gonna get a paint pen and we're gonna mark that spot on the rim. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna take and just want to clean off a little spot there, so we can take a paint pen. Put a little mark on the rim. So we know we popped the bead off, the rim off the bead of the... Excuse me, lost sound there. So when we pop the rim and the tire, separate the bead from the rim, we can take them right there. We can check and see if there's any, glue buildup or anything on the rim as to why it's leaking right there between the tire and the rim. That's it, it's a brand new tire. But yeah, hopefully y'all find this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and subscribe. You'll have a great day.